Looking all over for that first-time investment property or a perfect investment property located in central Edmonton, Alberta, Canada? Look no further. Come with me on this tour of 10926 152 Street in a community called High Park, located 15 minutes from downtown Edmonton. It is a great community to invest in where there's tons of infill properties going up every day. This property is a little bit on the smaller side at under 600 square feet, but it has plenty of upgrades and finishings that will wow you. It is 2 bedrooms up and a full bathroom, as well as a kitchen. It's situated on a massive 604 square meter lot. East facing front, west facing beautiful, bright backyard. It also has a single detached garage that was newly built. Carpet was redone and painting has been done on the main floor. Both bedrooms are ample enough size to have a queen size bed and do have both closets. In 1990, the owner acquired this property and put on brand new insulation on the exterior, also did a new sewer line as well as a new sump pump and new weeping tile around the home. The property has a newer roof, about 8 years old, on the home, and a 2-year-old roof on the garage. It does have a back entrance, and on the basement, it does have larger windows that are egress, and also a makeshift kitchen where it just needs a stove and a fridge added, as well as a 3-piece bathroom in the basement. Bright and airy and spacious, this also has a 1 bedroom on the basement floor as well. Now, with the changes of the city of Edmonton and the different types of infill changes, this property will be a great holding property. It has a brand new hot water tank. For a property information on this, click on my link below, or for tip sheets on more properties like this and a hot sheet, also just email me. My name is Karen Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate. Look no further but at this lovely property situated in the central area of High Park, priced to sell. Thanks for joining me on this lovely tour.